This vegetarian weight loss meal plan makes it easy to eat your veggies and lose weight. Whether you already follow a vegetarian diet or are just looking to go meatless sometimes, this vegetarian meal plan makes it easy to eat meat-free and lose weight. Eating more plant-based foods is a great way to boost your health. A vegetarian diet has been shown to reduce your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. In this 1,200 calorie vegetarian weight loss meal plan, we make sure to include plenty of filling foods so you feel satisfied, not starved, while losing weight. Protein-rich beans and tofu, high-fiber whole grains, fruits and vegetables and healthy fats, like nuts, help to keep you feeling energized all day long. Coupled this healthy plant-based meal plan with daily exercise and you're on track to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week. How to meal prep your week of meals. 1. Meal prep the lemon-roasted vegetable hummus bowls and store in to-go containers for the work week. Bake a batch of the baked banana nut oatmeal. 2 cups to have throughout the week. Store in airtight meal prep containers to keep fresh. To buy, Amazon.com, $38. 3. Whip up the peanut butter energy balls to enjoy as snacks and evening treats this week. Store in an airtight container, like above link, for up to 5 days in the refrigerator or up to 3 months in the freezer. 4. Make 3 hard-boiled eggs to have as snacks for the week. Day 1. Breakfast, 310 calories. 3/4 cup oatmeal cooked in 1½ cup water. 1/3 cup raspberries. Top oatmeal with raspberries and a pinch of cinnamon. AM. Snack, 95 calories. 1 medium apple. Lunch, 345 calories. 1 serving whole wheat veggie wrap. PM. Snack, 80 calories. Half a cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 1/4 cup sliced strawberries. Dinner, 394 calories. 1 serving mushroom quinoa veggie burgers with special sauce. Daily totals, 1,224 calories, 45 grams protein, 173 grams carbohydrates, 33 grams fiber, 43 grams fat, 1,269 milligrams sodium. Day 2. Breakfast, 211 calories. 1 serving baked banana nut oatmeal cups. 1 clementine. AM. Snack, 116 calories. 1/4 cup raspberries. 3/4 cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Lunch, 360 calories. 1 serving lemon-roasted vegetable hummus bowls. PM. Snack, 174 calories. 2 peanut butter energy balls. Dinner, 422 calories. 1 serving butternut squash and black bean tostadas. Daily totals, 1,214 calories, 51 grams protein, 163 grams carbohydrates, 32 grams fiber, 47 grams fat, 1,317 milligrams sodium. Day 3. 1 pot tomato basil pasta. Breakfast, 271 calories. 1 serving baked banana nut oatmeal cups. 1 medium apple. AM. Snack, 78 calories. 1 hard-boiled egg seasoned with a pinch each of salt and pepper. Lunch, 360 calories. 1 serving lemon-roasted vegetable hummus bowls. PM. Snack, 32 calories. Half a cup raspberries. Dinner, 380 calories. 1 serving 1 pot tomato basil pasta topped with 2 tablespoons. Shredded Parmesan cheese. Evening snack, 174 calories. 2 peanut butter energy balls. Daily totals, 1,208 calories, 55 grams protein, 160 grams carbohydrates, 32 grams fiber, 45 grams fat, 1,478 mg sodium. Day 4. Stuffed potatoes with salsa. Breakfast, 271 calories. 1 serving baked banana nut oatmeal cups. 1 medium apple. AM. Snack, 78 calories. 1 hard-boiled egg seasoned with a pinch each of salt and pepper. Lunch, 360 calories. 1 serving lemon-roasted vegetable hummus bowls. PM. Snack, 35 calories. 1 clementine. Dinner, 405 calories. 1 serving stuffed potatoes with salsa and beans topped with 2 tablespoons. Shredded cheddar cheese and 1 tablespoon. Sour cream. Evening snack, 174 calories. 2 peanut butter energy balls. Daily totals, 1,215 calories, 49 grams protein, 162 grams carbohydrates, 32 grams fiber, 46 grams fat, 1,349 milligrams sodium. Day 5. Meal prep veggie and quinoa bowls. Breakfast, 306 calories. 1 serving avocado egg toast. 1 clementine. AM. Snack, 32 calories. Half a cup raspberries. Lunch, 360 calories. 1 serving lemon-roasted vegetable hummus bowls. PM. Snack, 95 calories. 1 medium apple. Dinner, 428 calories. 1 serving vegetarian tikka masala. 3/4 cup cooked brown rice. Daily totals, 1,221 calories, 47 grams protein, 155 grams carbohydrates, 35 grams fiber, 53 grams fat, 1,203 milligrams sodium. Day 6. Breakfast, 310 calories. 3/4 cup oatmeal cooked in 1½ cup water. 1/3 cup raspberries. Top oatmeal with raspberries and a pinch of cinnamon. PM. Snack, 95 calories. 1 medium apple. Lunch, 345 calories. 1 serving whole wheat veggie wrap. PM. Snack, 174 calories. 2 peanut butter energy balls. Dinner, 360 calories. 1 serving beefless vegan tacos. Daily totals, 1,225 calories, 44 grams protein, 165 grams carbohydrates, 35 grams fiber, 49 grams fat, 1,417 milligrams sodium. Day 7. Breakfast, 322 calories. Half a cup oatmeal cooked in half a cup skim milk and half a cup water. 1/2 medium apple, diced. 1 tablespoon. Chopped walnuts. AM. Snack, 95 calories. 1 medium apple. Lunch, 345 calories. 1 serving whole wheat veggie wrap. PM. Snack, 78 calories. 1 hard-boiled egg seasoned with a pinch each of salt and pepper. Dinner, 401 calories. 1 serving curried chickpea stew. Daily totals, 1,211 calories, 67 grams protein, 138 grams carbohydrates, 31 grams fiber, 46 grams fat, 1,625 milligrams sodium. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.